Hey, what's good? Good morning vlog. Today, taking a little trip to Waco, Texas because my goofy brother forgot his fucking $600 iPad at a hotel. And now, big brother having to come to the rescue. Gotta drive his ass all the way down there, bro. But hopefully this dude answers me because there's a hood in Fort Worth, Texas that I want. This badass Z01 HD hood. So hopefully he answers, but that's my grandma that also got her time wasted the other day. Thanks to this goofy little fellow right there.
You got nothing better to do. Doesn't count as wasting time for being asleep.
I'm gonna drop some knowledge on you. This might be the last quality time you guys have together.
No, it won't. What the fuck?
It's an adventure, Fernando. Adventure.
Turn the headlights on again. Let's see if this one's ground.
Black wire is the ground.
Black wire is the ground on this light bulb right here.
Okay.
Turn your lights and everything off. You know, we got all the room in the world. Okay.
So on this box, gray wire is positive, black negative.
No, I don't want to use these.
You don't? Yeah, somebody said they're cheap.
And the black was the ground on this.
Mm-hmm.
You all the way around. If I can do it like that here. I'll put this up there, that way it can go all the way down over both of them.
Let's see.
It's done.
See, I was kind of confused on when I was thinking about this yesterday, and you just made it so simple. Like, I was confused on how I was supposed to, like, splice it 3 ways. I was, like, thinking of doing, like, a letter T.
I don't like these either. They don't grab all that great, but it's also why we're going to heat shrink the shit out of it so that it won't be anything exposed. A lot of these heat shrink does have glue in them. Where'd you get this lighter that ain't got no fucking juice in it?
I think it's Goten, like, it modified it, or like it shoots up a big flame. I'm gonna go get another one. Okay, so far to explain what my dad is doing, he is splicing this top one to the main bulb right here, this LED right here, this light that goes in here. I just switched it out to an LED, but this is the wire he's splicing it to, and then the bottom one we're gonna splice it to this corner bulb right here. So just so you guys know what we've done so far. Ven a chequearlo, ma. Ven a chequearlo. Vamos a ver si...
Turn it on.
Let's see.
Headlights all the way on.
Ya, graba, a ver, quiero ver si prende. Ahí está, ya está grabando.
Yeah, it's on.
¿Se prendió?
And back my eyeball.
Esta parte es la que no podía prender. Damn, it's gonna look real cool with the other one.
Hot. That one's done.
Okay.
We'll repeat that over here. All the tape you got.
Alright. The bottom ones are gonna be a little more annoying because you gotta put the grill on before you put those on. So you have less room to work with. Okay. I feel like I'm actually learning something today.
What's that?
Just how to better come at a problem.
Not a bad place to put that, but there's not much room right there for this. We got it really tight.
Mm-hmm.
Some cheap ass fucking butt splicing milkers.
So for these bottom ones, my dad's gonna be splicing them in to this one right here, and I'm pretty I don't even know which one. How you gonna find which one's the ground?
We're gonna use the force. I'm gonna test it with my voltmeter the same way we did the top.
But boom, guys, my dad got it working. It's looking real nice. Still got to do this side, but like I said, this bottom one, the blue one is the ground. You said the blue one's the ground, right, Dad?
Huh?
The blue one's the ground.
The blue and the black wire go together on that one.
Okay, the blue wire right here goes with the black wire that's right here on the bottom headlight, and so that red one goes with the black, or this is like a brownish color actually. And I want to see, hold up, I want to see if it blinks. I want to see if it blinks. The fuck, why is the blinker not blinking? Does it only blink with the, it only blinks when the key's on? I'm a dumbass. There we go. Let's see if the bottom thing is blinking. Yo, that's gas. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna try to do this side all on my own. My dad just left to go hit his walk with my mom. So I'm gonna try to figure this out on my own. I've seen exactly how he does it. If you guys wanna, I'm gonna guys give you a look at the finished product of how it's supposed to look. Oh, damn, bro. I feel like my grill is, so see how he has it spliced into this? The black wire right here
going into this blue wire, and then he's got the red wire going with the brown wire, and he just spliced it really nicely. He puts both the wires together like this, and then just puts one of those blue little this is what he's been using. He's been using these little things, and then he's just been slipping shrink wrap on top of it to make it look really nice like that. Bro, shout out my dad first. I'm so glad he's such a genius when it comes to this shit. But I'm gonna show you guys, go along with me. So this little box right here connects up to the bottom headlamp through just like through these little connectors right here that it came with default. I just stripped the wires a bit, and now I'm finna cut this little bulb right here, corner bulb, because that's what I'm splicing it with. And my dad said that the red wire goes with the blue, and then the black, no, the black goes with the blue, and then the red goes with the brown. I'd be a liar if I said this was going perfectly. I swear my dad makes this shit look so fucking easy. First of all, I was having problems stripping the wire that's originally connected to this bulb. Like this, it's so hard to strip this shit, I guess because it's so old. And then second problem I had, which was dumb as fuck, is I literally forgot what I said, and I accidentally connected the blue wire with the red, and yeah, that was my first dumbass mistake. But now I got it good. This is how it should be. And so now all I have to do right here is splice this bulb to the top or here, and we should be good. Hopefully. Shit, we might not be good on the length of this, honestly. Holy shit. Hey man, say man. Hey, nothing that a little sweat, blood, and tears can't do, man. And having a very genius dad, so. But bro, we got them all the lights connected. This one you can't really see it, but boom. Well, whatever, man. They're all on. I'm happy. Every single bulb is turned on. Make sure these, yep, these are on inside here. Boom, bruh. Let's go. Let's go, bro. See? I did learn something today, bro. Shout out my pops, for reals. Bro, I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna put this together and show you how it fucking finally looks. Bruh, so my dad just got back from his walk, right? And he came to look at my work, you know, because he said he was gonna finish it when he got back. But I tried getting it done before that, and I did. And then he came to look at it, and I'm like, yeah, everything went good. I got it done. Yeah, I got it done and shit. And then he looks at it, and he's like, oh, yeah? Where's the shrink wrap? And, bruh, he's literally been doing that. And I forgot. Yeah, I literally told myself, too. But, look, he's been making it look so good. Look at his splicing work. It looks really clean. And then you come look at my work, and it looks like a bunch of wires and mess. But nothing electrical tape won't fix. It's straight daylight out here, but you can still see them bitches shining, bro. Oh my god, the camera ain't doing it justice. This looks so much more bad in person, dude. Oh my god, dude, I can't wait. I can't wait for, dude, I got more plans, guys. I want a Z01 hood, and I already know where to get one. Somewhere in Dallas and Fort Worth. Been hitting up a couple people, and I was supposed to get that today, but some fucker never hit me back up. And bro, I got orange side markers coming in because these side markers didn't fit, and I don't like how the white side markers look. I think it's like too much chrome, and also the bumper now looks like too much chrome, so we're gonna be replacing this little strip, which needs to be done anyways because that's not even chrome anymore. That's just straight silver. Used to be straight chrome. Bro, now we need to put the fog lights in. That's the next step we do. That's the next step thing we need to do right there. That shouldn't be too hard. I don't know, actually. Probably will be. But there definitely is going to be some YouTube tutorials. But, bro, this is tough. Oh, my God. I can't wait to go take some gas station flicks. Bro, my bill coming on lights, man. Hey, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys really did enjoy. Hey, please go follow me on all my social medias. I'm active as hell all the time, posting all the time. So go, if you ever want to talk to me, that's where you can go reach me. All my social medias down in the description below, and they'll be on screen. Hey, please drop a like on this video, share it, subscribe if you're new. Your boy's really on that grind at 5K subscribers, so get me there. Hey, I really appreciate all the love and all the support. It's been your boy Nano. Big shout out to my dad, man. I love him. Hey. Wow.